Hey everybody, my name is Thomas. Do you like pickles? Do you like spicy food? If so, then I have a treat for you. Today I'm going to show you a short video on how to spice up just an ordinary jar of pickles or olives using just 4 ingredients. So let's go to the kitchen and get started. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. The 4 ingredients I spoke about: red pepper flakes, garlic, vinegar, and water. Red pepper flakes, whatever kind you want to get. Actually, if from your favorite pizza place, a lot of times they send you a little packet of red pepper flakes with your pizza, and those work great as well. I like to use fresh garlic. You can use the kind that comes in a jar, it's minced, but fresh garlic gives it so much more flavor. And I use a garlic press, which I'll tell you about that a little bit later. Vinegar, whatever kind of vinegar you like. I use apple cider vinegar. I just like the flavor of it. To me, it just tastes a lot better. You got your regular dill pickles, kosher dill. I like Mountain Olive, whatever your favorite pickles are. I'm going to do a jar of sweet pickles today too. I love the sweet pickles with the spice and the vinegar in them and everything, and a jar of olives as well. Of course, I saved the juice because you can drink it later. By the way, if you didn't know, the juice is really good for cramps. You pour out about half the juice, a little bit more. Okay. Half of that one. Let's try this. Oh, whoa, whoops, I have to edit that out. And that's gonna be sticky. My wife would be pissed if she saw that. It's about half of that one. Okay, on the olives, you want to pour all the juice out because it's so strong. On the pickles, you only dump half the juice out. Save the pickle juice for later. Clean up the mess you made so your wife won't kill you. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave for a second because I forgot my marker. Okay, so you take your marker. You don't have to do this. I like to do this. You got your halfway mark about here for the pickle juice. Then you cut it that in half. And you'll fill vinegar up or water, whichever. But you have to fill this up from here to here, fill it up with vinegar. From here up, fill it up with water. Do the same on this jar. That's about halfway, and that's about halfway. I like to do that just for a reference. You can kind of just guesstimate. On the olives, you dumped out all the olive juice, so because it's so strong. Now I like to do about 3/4 of the jar with vinegar, and then the rest of it with water. And I like to eat them too when I'm doing it. So you take your vinegar, you turn it around this way where you can see, and you fill. Sometimes I put a little extra fill it up to your half of your half, which is a quarter of what's left, with vinegar. Now let's go ahead and do the other. Where's our mark? There's our mark. Okay. Vinegar. Red pepper flakes, just to your taste. This is a really small jar, so I'm not going to put a whole lot in there. But the pickles are really sweet, so you can put a little bit extra spice. It just depends on your flavor, what you like. So I put the peppers in there. This jar I'm going to put a little bit more because it's a lot bigger. Bam. Oop. Olives too. Sorry, olives. Not that much. Keep in mind that the longer they sit, the hotter they get. Okay, garlic. Like I said, I like to use fresh garlic. This garlic press is awesome. I'm going to use the biggest piece. Oh, better cut that. I like to cut the ends off. With this press, you don't have to cut the skin off. With this press, you don't have to cut the skin off. Cut it in half. Bam. Oh, man. Good stuff. Oop, skin and all just comes out. You just put that sucker right there in the press. I had to cut it in half because it was such a large clove. There we go. Let's see. Oh man, that smells good. Ugh, that's a big one too. Let's see. Squeeze that right in there. And the skins come out. This garlic press is awesome. You can get them on Amazon from anywhere from like $13 to like $20, $13 to $20, something like that. They're awesome. There's one in particular on there. It's got about 2,000 plus reviews, 4.5 stars. I think this is the one actually. One of the neat things about it is you can put the clove of garlic in there with the skin and all and squeeze it, and just the meat comes out. Then you just clean out the skin. Okay, so I got the vinegar, the red pepper flakes, and the garlic all in here. Now all I got to do is top it off with water and shake them up. So I'll take the dill pickles first. Just top the jar off with water, put the lid on. Shake it up. These puppies right here, they will be good to eat tomorrow. Olives usually take a couple days. These will probably be good tomorrow as well. Sweet pickles probably take I might wait another day after that. I'll at least taste them tomorrow. I promise you. Let's see, we did not put the vinegar in here yet, so let's do that. Like I said, on the olives, I'm gonna put 3/4 of it vinegar because there's such a strong taste on the green olives. And I haven't done black olives, but anyways, 3/4 of the jar with vinegar. And like I said, you can use whatever vinegar you want, but I prefer apple cider. Now let me tell you something. I have friends that hated green olives and have tried these olives and they love them. They actually requested the recipe for them because they loved them so much. And they hated green olives before, so keep that in mind. Just shake them up, but that does take longer. The olives take longer for the flavor to get into them. And let's do the sweet pickles. Okay, that's it. So there you have it. Spice up ordinary pickles or olives with 4 ingredients: vinegar, garlic, red pepper flakes, and water. I promise you, you're gonna love these. Okay, so there you have it. Quick and easy spicy pickles. Awesome. Introduced them to the guys at work and they love them. Started doing them themselves. Just wanted to share this. I actually got this recipe from a Georgia power inspector. Gave it to me on the right away, and I've been doing it ever since, several years now. But anyways, delicious. Try it. You'll like it.